Welcome to Virtual Teaching Tutor. In today's lesson, we will explore the exciting world of number properties, focusing on the commutative property of addition and multiplication. Have you ever wondered if the order in which you add or multiply numbers matters? Well, it doesn't. Join us as we discover how switching the order of numbers still gives us the same result. We will use fun examples and engaging activities to help you understand and remember these important math concepts. Let's dive in and make math fun together. Understanding commutative number properties. Welcome everyone. Today we will be exploring the commutative properties of addition and multiplication. These properties teach us that the order of numbers doesn't affect the result when we add or multiply. For example, 3 plus 5 is the same as 5 plus 3, and 2 times 4 is the same as 4 times 2. Understanding these properties will help you solve math problems more easily. Let's jump in and see how they work. Number properties are fundamental principles that describe how numbers interact with one another during mathematical operations. They serve as the fundamental rules that guide calculations and enable us to manipulate numbers effectively. Understanding these properties, such as the commutative properties, helps simplify complex mathematical expressions and solve equations. By recognizing these patterns, we can perform operations with confidence and accuracy, making number properties essential for both basic arithmetic and advanced mathematics. In this slide, we are focusing on the commutative property of addition. This property tells us that when we add two numbers, it doesn't matter which order we use, the sum will always be the same. For instance, 4 plus 6 equals 6 plus 4. This means that if you change the order of the numbers 4 and 6, the total is still the same, which is 10 in both cases. The commutative property says that for any two numbers, if you add them in any order, the result will be the same. So, A plus B equals B plus A. The key idea here is it doesn't matter which number you add first. In this next slide, we'll be learning about the commutative property of multiplication. This property tells us that when we multiply two numbers, the order doesn't change the product. For example, 3 times 7 equals 7 times 3. This shows that when you change the order of the numbers 3 and 7, the answer stays the same, which is 21 in both cases. This property tells us that when multiplying two numbers, the order doesn't change the result. Thank you for tuning in to Virtual Teaching Tutor.